We're told the vandal hopped in this piece of equipment, an excavator, and destroyed whatever they could. That's a road grader over there, and that's no small piece of equipment, almost dangling over the side of the construction site. These are parts of that road grader laid out all over the place. And then over here is a road sweeper toppled over on its side. Some of the windows busted out. And this is just scratching the surface.
You can see the damage to the cab on the right.
Imagine waking up to start another day's work and finding this.
Saw stuff like this in combat environments, but not in Kitsap County.
A crucial culvert replacement project on northwest Newberry Hill Road near Silverdale was almost done. Sometime overnight, somebody walked onto the worksite, got into one of the machines, which can be started with a universal key, and destroyed at least 6 other pieces of heavy machinery.
So they used this bucket, and I expect that thumb to just beat this piece of equipment apart.
Public Works Director Andrew Nelson said the estimated damage to Seton Construction's equipment is as much as $1.5 million.
Worked long hours through weekends to get to where we are today, and they were ready to pave.
It could set the county back another $1 million to finish the project. The work began at the end of the school year with the goal of finishing before students returned to nearby Klahowya Secondary on September 4th. They were on track until this. Now crews will have to deconstruct a good chunk of their work and start over.
We're going to have to excavate and remove all of that and reconstruct it.
No new timetable, but months of hard work has been lost. I think it goes without saying that deputies could use anybody's help in getting information about this. The Kitsap County Sheriff's Office asking anyone with information to simply call 911 or give them a call during normal business hours. In Kitsap County, Jim Nelson, King 5 News.